sure nobody can tell. It took me a while to come up on my shell. At least I can say I did it with no help.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Keandra back with another video, and I'm on the floor because I'm going to be unboxing my newer ring light today. I'm a little late to the game or whatever because everybody got ring lights, but I got mine now. It's all that matters, and I'm gonna unbox it. Do y'all see my edges though? So I'm just gonna take these scissors. Actually, I'm gonna do it this way. I look like I don't know how to cut a cardboard box. There we go. They did their thing with the packaging, cause that's how I'm doing mine. That's what the inside. Okay, this look way better for the lighting. This is what the inside of the box look like. They got this. They got this. I'm assuming that's the stand. Some more stuff. Some more stuff. And I got the ring light or whatever. I'm just gonna throw that back there. So this is the ring light. I think I'm gonna open the stand first. Ooh. I'm gonna open the stand first or whatever. Cute. Okay. A little paper. A note that says, "Dear customer," all of that good stuff. That's not all it say, but hold on, cause this is kind of weird, y'all. Oh, I see. I'm figuring it out. This thing real sturdy too. Actually, it could go back up how it was. So that's what that do. I'm just figuring this out. Ooh. Okay, so that's that. The stand is already like really put together. So it's nothing much you really gotta do for that. All you need is me playing on your playlist. Okay, so in here we got the installment instructions. Say ring light, some more pamphlets, the thing for your phone so that your phone can go in, the adapter stuff and plugs and stuff, and we got the things that go over the ring light to make it more orange. Did my piece break, or I don't know what that is. Then we got two other things. Oh, a shutter camera button and the thing that goes on a ring light so that you can put your camera on it. So that's all of that. Good part. The ring lights. It's big. It's big, huh? Oh, I'm excited. Look at my ring light. It's bigger than my head. As it should be. Look at this. This is the ring light right here. Now, I'm gonna whole thing is. Just put it on and screw it until it can't, screw it till it can't. Yep. Yeah, that was right. Y'all can't see it. I'm gonna bring it down so y'all can see. It's on here now. Ooh. I got it. This piece and this little baggie.
How much was it? Tell the audience.
$76.
$76.
Mhm. Yeah, it was $76, and I ordered it off of Amazon. And I had Prime, so it came in 2 days.
This is good for taking pictures too.
Uh-huh.
So I think I'm gonna buy me one later.
Yeah. I like it. We get it somewhere, y'all. I got the piece that goes in the middle on there. And now I'm supposed to put the stand, put my phone on the stand and put the stand on. And then I'm done, really. I just gotta plug the stuff up. They don't show you how to do that though. But I think I could figure it out. So how do I make this advertisements so that it's not so loose? There we go. Look at that. Got it. Now I'm gonna plug it up and stuff. And then we gonna switch so y'all can see like the quality and all of that. I feel like this ring light will run your light bill up. Wow.
Whoa.
This boy.
Whoa. That is amazing.
Look at this boy. I'm finna switch cameras so y'all can see. I wasn't recording this whole time. But anyways, I switched it. This is how a ring light look and I love it. Look how I make your skin look. But I switched from my old ring light and tripod to this.
It's amazing. Amazeballs.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Look at your skin.
Oh my.
Look at your skin.
Look at it. No.
None of that.
None of that. Yeah. Yo, look.
Look at your skin.
Look at me.
Stop playing.
Yo, our pictures on the IG.
Yes, sir.
Anyways. Our pictures on IG finna hit.
Y'all, I freaking love this ring light. Like, look at the skin.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn it. So basically, you can make it as bright as you want to. Like, who really messing with me? And it got this white little panel thing around it. And I'm gonna switch it. So this is how it looks with the white panels on it. They came on it already. So I'm gonna switch them out. Dang, the whole living room glowing. I'm gonna switch them out for these to see what it look like. So this is with the white. Switch it out to the orange, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So this is what the orange look like.
Oh
looking
my
like
gosh,
looking like brown skin girl, skin just like
melanin popping.
Look at this skin, honey.
One of them break.
Pretty like Lupita when the camera's closing. I think tonight she might melanin too dark to throw her shade. She minds her business and winds her ways. Well, like 24K, 4K. Tonight I might fall in love.
Oh my, it make your hair look blacker too.
Yeah. Turn this boy all the way up. Shawty, what you want?
All the
Shawty,
girls
what
gonna
you
want me
need?
after this. I want.
Ugly dude. Okay, y'all. So that was my unboxing of this Neewer ring light. I'm gonna have all the information about this ring light in the description box because I don't know everything off the top of my head. Matter of fact, no. I'm gonna give it to y'all right here. Finna give y'all the information right here where I ordered it and stuff. I'm gonna put a screenshot of the exact ring light that I got. It's by Neewer. She minds her business and winds her ways. She look like 24K. No makeup, sweetheart. Okay, that's just the ring light working its magic. Pictures for the week. Y'all gotta go follow me. By the way, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna have a screenshot right here of my Instagram or a little video. Make sure you go follow me because now the pictures on the gram, they gonna go crazy. But this is the Neewer ring light. I got the 18-inch outer dimmable. It's a long word. LED ring light. And it's the one with the 78.7-inch light stand. It got the phone holder. All the stuff that y'all saw. And it was $79.99. But it's like a little 5% coupon or something. So I ended up paying like $76 in total for it. But yeah, this is the ring light. I really, really like it. So yeah, that was my unboxing of my new ring light. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's super easy to put together. The lighting is bomb. It took me like 10 minutes to figure it out. If you look at the little paper, the little pamphlet, they make it very easy for you to be able to set this up with pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, if y'all like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos of me. And I'll see y'all in the next video.